how to make a great and delicious banana foster. The ingredient is butter, which I've melted in this skillet. Then I'm going to add the brown sugar and stir it in. Some brandy for the effect, and let it just sort of caramelize some of that sugar. And then I'm going to add some rum. Now if you're going to light it, now would be the time, after the bananas, to light this and get a little flame. However, I'm dangerous with flames. So instead of lighting it, I'm just going to let this saute around. It'll take about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're going to pour this over ice cream. It's a wonderful dish, easy to make. It'll give a little caramel effect. See how it's starting to thicken up a little bit? The alcohol itself burns off, even though we didn't light a fire. And then we'll be able to put this right over ice cream. I've got 2 bowls of vanilla ice cream here. I think vanilla is probably the best to do it with. I'm going to take the bananas, pour right over with some of the juice. Look at how that just melts right in. This is an excellent dish. I'm a bananas foster. I love bananas and I love chocolate. No chocolate in this dish, but you could get that by me in a minute. So here we are. Bon appetit. Have a bananas foster.